just wanted to make a quick one real fast. I just noticed this. So you see my Tesla high power charger over there. It's charging. Got the connector here. But if I go in here to the car, it's limited to 30 amps. It says max 30. Why is the max 30 amps all of a sudden? Weird. Okay. I just went over there and hit the little red reset button there on the side, and it's back charging again. And now I magically have 40 amps. So it was obviously something going on with the wall connector, or the high power wall connector, or whatever it's called. Weird. But I'll keep monitoring this and see what happens.